First, we need to pick up the sensor and connect to the computer. If you are connecting the sensor for the first time, open the software, log in, create the patient information. Click the SQL button. The software will automatically download the calibration file. Then, wait for the prompt that the calibration is complete. Click OK, and the software will automatically close. Restart the software, click the SQL button, the interface will display green, and the calibration is complete. We need to create customer profile information. Then, click SQL. When the screen shows green, it means the sensor is normal. Then, install the handheld strap. Install the lid glass. Remove the lens protective film. Remove the screen protective film and then turn on the machine. According to the actual situation of the patient, adjust X-ray machine's parameter, body figure, tooth position, sensor type, voltage and current. This one is exposure time. Then save. Install bracket protective bag. The patient maintains a sitting or lying position with no shaking of the head and holding the bracket without shaking. Place the sensor on the inside of the teeth with the long edge of the sensor flush with the crown and parallel to the long axis of the teeth. Align the center of the X-ray machine cone with the alignment center of the bracket. Press the shooting button and perform exposure imaging. If you need to use a long tube, follow these steps. First, install the long tube. Then remove the lens and install the lid glass. Install the lens. And remove the film. If the mouth is deep, the sensor should be placed vertically inside the mouth, and the tilt angle of the X-ray machine should be reduced. If the mouth is shallow, the sensor should be placed horizontally inside the mouth, and the tilt angle of the X-ray machine should be increased. Children's mouth is more shallow, and the tilt angle of X-ray should be increased by 5 to 10 degrees. The fixed exposure power of the dental chair X-ray machine is 60 kV and 2 milliamperes. If the image result is too dark, reduce the exposure time. If the imaging result is too white, increase the exposure time. Distance between tooth body and sensor. The closer the capture tooth is to the sensor, the clearer the imaging. The farther the teeth are from the sensor, the more likely the X-ray image is to be magnified and distorted. Distance between focus and sensor. When taking detailed image, the distance between the focus and the sensor plate is taken as 20 to 30 cm.